I'm Momcho. I'm here with Andrew and Phil, and with Leanplum. Today, we're going to show you how we're transforming the world of mobile gaming. We're taking a well-proven optimization technique from the web and moving it to mobile. We have several years of experience working at Google, and I'm bringing with us a set of best practices to apply to the explosive market of mobile gaming. At Google, we worked on a video ads team where we ran hundreds of tests. Here is one of them. We came up with two different versions of the same video ad, and instead of guessing which one works better, we ran both on real users and measured the result. Turns out, version B won. But here's the surprising part. With version B, we were able to double the revenue from this video ad format to more than $10 million. The technique we used is called A/B testing, and this is just one example. At any given point in time, there are hundreds of tests running on video ads alone. And it's not just Google either. Companies all over the web are using A/B testing to generate massive gains in revenue. However, we realized that this is not the case on mobile, in mobile games in particular, which happen to take more than half of the revenue in the App Store. So we started talking to customers to see why they're not A/B testing their games. Here's the problem. Imagine you're a product manager at a mobile gaming company. Every day, you're faced with decisions that affect the revenue of your product. However, in order to test what works the best, first, you need to talk to your developers and convince them to make the changes for you, which is, of course, complicated and it takes time. Second, even if you can make these changes, it still takes 2 weeks to push an update through the App Store. And third, when the test is done, you need someone to interpret the data for you. With Leanplum, we solve these three problems. We enable product managers to run real-time testing right from our dashboard, and we interpret the results for them. Let me introduce you to Randy to show you how we solve these problems for him. Randy runs an 11-person game studio here in Seattle called Jurosoft. He set up Leanplum for his most popular game, Monster Kingdom, in order to maximize his revenue from in-app purchases. You can see that it's very easy to choose what percentage of users will see each version. Randy can now make changes right from our dashboard. He doesn't need to talk to his developers, and he doesn't need to wait for Apple to approve his changes. All of this happens in real time. He types in a price, and it goes live automatically. And the same happens for the color of the recharge as well. When the test is done, Randy will get a report showing which metrics have changed and with what confidence intervals. A change like this can increase his revenue by as much as 20%. We've rethought how analytics should be done with optimization at the core. It all starts with the technology we've built in our backend to enable real-time testing and advanced queries. And we've packaged all this power into a delightful product that's oriented around the needs of the product manager. Randy can now test things like game dynamics, artwork, economies, and messaging to the user. He can set up hundreds of these tests, just like Google. Randy is just one example, but there are lots of Randys out there. There are over 250,000 games on the market right now, and the winners will be separated from the losers based on who can optimize their games the best. Also, there is a fundamental shift in the market right now from paid to free-to-play, and game studios desperately need a way to optimize this new source of revenue. And the opportunity is huge. Currently, mobile gaming is a $4.5 billion market. It is expected to grow to $18 billion in the next 4 years. Also, we're just starting with mobile games. The entire mobile app market will need to be optimized as well. So here is how we plan to take advantage of this opportunity. We have a freemium model with tiers where we let indie game developers try a product for free, and we charge them more as they grow. You can see that we can charge $6,000 per month for every 100,000 daily active users. And we're already working with several game studios as part of our private beta. They range from indie games to games with more than 1 million downloads. We also have more than 20 studios in our pipeline, and these studios have multiple games in their portfolios. The studios we've already worked with like us so much, they already want to use us for their next game. And I'm also happy to announce that as of 2 days ago, we're talking to Big Fish Game, which is one of the largest mobile game publishers. We'll be running a test with one of the most popular games in the next couple of weeks. Finally, we are the right team to build this. We graduated from Carnegie Mellon University and Duke University and have a strong technical background. We also worked together at Google, where we optimized millions of dollars of revenue through A/B testing. And we're all entrepreneurs. For example, Andrew started his first company to sell game creation software to schools when he was only 14. Today, I told you 3 things. First, we're taking a well-proven optimization technique from the web and moving it to mobile. Second, mobile gaming is one of the fastest growing markets right now, and combined with the rest of the app ecosphere, presents a multi-billion-dollar opportunity. And third, we have an amazing team of Googlers who are the experts in this domain. We've optimized millions of dollars in video ad revenue. Now imagine what we can do with the entire mobile gaming industry. That's why we're looking to raise $750,000 today, and we already have more than a third committed. If it's as obvious to you as it is to us and our customers that optimization is the future of mobile, come and talk to us. Thank you.